Alright guys, today I'm going to disassemble and rebuild Husqvarna 44. It's old but quite popular chainsaw. It's quite simple, it doesn't have primer. You can see the regulation of the carburetor here, low speed, high speed. We have the choke, we have the stop switch. It's the gas plug. Here we have the oil compartment. Alright, let's see what's in here and whether we can restore it. It's a little bit stiff, so I can feel that it probably needs some cleaning. I'm not sure how much time it's been stored and whether it's been used at least for some time in recent years or not. Right, let's see what's inside. Here the air filter, carburetor inside, cylinder head, have the muffler. It's not too bad. Let's see. Can't see any spark. It's on. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there is a spark. No, I can't see any. Oops. I'm going to check if everything is fine. Is the switch with the cables inside seem to be replaced at some point, because I can see that this is manual. I mean, it hasn't been here before. It's not like manufactured cable.